Welcome to WTF, West Bank Talks Finance, where we clear up those what the finance moments by answering your frequently asked questions.
What is a balloon payment? Right, let's tackle the topic that so often leads to headaches. Understanding this concept will save you from an unexpected financial jolt at the end of your finance term. A balloon payment is a part of the car's price that's stashed away for you to pay only at the end of your finance period. It looks like a financial superhero because it brings your monthly payments down to size. But there's a twist. Here's an example. Let's say you want to finance a 250,000 Rand car and your installment comes to about 5,800 Rand per month. Add a 30% balloon payment and your installment could go down to around 4,900 Rand per month. Sounds great, yes? But there is a twist. You'll be racking up an extra 21,000 Rand in interest. On top of that, there's that 75,000 Rand balloon that will be looming at the end of your contract. You will have some options for sorting that out, like paying it off in one go if you have the cash handy, or you could apply to refinance or extend your contract. But that just means more years of making payments, so choose wisely. Now, if you're going to trade in your wheels before the end of your contract, you won't need to tackle your balloon payment separately, but there still is a catch. You need to be sure that the cash you get for your car will cover everything you owe, including the balloon payment. So, the main point to take away from this is that you need to be wary of looking at the short-term perks of lower installments. There are also other ways to achieve the goal, things like putting down a deposit or exploring less expensive car options. Take your time, do all the calculations, evaluate and reevaluate, and ensure that you're setting yourself up for the best outcome in the long term.
Thanks for listening. We hope that you found that useful. Now go and subscribe to be notified when our next informative episode is available.